G'day guys, welcome back to my Shockwave build. Been a long time since the last video. I just want to show you what I'm doing to the pedestal. I've got the new brackets in that I'm going to fit on these rads. As the standard brackets for this pedestal won't fit these rads. These rads are 420 wide and 60 deep I think it is. So yeah, I had to get new brackets to be able to fit these rads in. Yeah, the rads are very sturdy brackets. I had to make sure I got the right ones so I can at least fit them down to the bottom of the case correctly, and that they fit inside the case as well. Alright, looking pretty good as you can see. They will fit onto those 420s pretty easily. I want to show you guys also a EVGA power supply I picked up, which is the Supernova 1200 P2. Very well known power supply amongst all builders of gaming machines, especially when you're going to run at least 2 VGA cards. So this power supply is a 80 plus platinum and has a good power management rating. Okay, moving on, you'll see I've got the power supply installed, the rads installed, I've got the fans installed as well, all pretty fitting nice and snuggly in there, as they say, snuggly. I've got the fan hubs there as well. I'm trying to get used to this new microphone of mine, so forgive me if you hear me laughing a bit, but yeah, I'll get there. Okay, there's the hubs. I did a bit of wiring, just a picture from behind of the power supply on the case. Now I'll just show you guys here that I've done the drainage system to the case. So I've got a nice drain port there with a bits power tap with some tubing running to the 2 radiators. So it's sort of a T-form, it'll drain both radiators at the same time. All the other radiators from the top will just drain straight down. So it should make things pretty easy for maintenance. I'm able to get my hands in there too, so it will pretty much just fit. So I'm able to just open the tap and drain the system pretty quick just through this section here. As you can see now too, I've also installed a flow meter from Aqua Computer. The flow meter's got a heat sensor as well on it. I had to put it down in this section because I had no other area to fit this actual flow meter, so I stuck a little bit of 2-way tape on the back and just stuck it to the body of the pedestal. As you can see, I've done some of the piping up there as well, ready to go to the top midsection of the case. Okay, now we'll see some of the fans in the front. I just wanted to show you guys that also in the pipe area there's a heat sensor too. That will be, I think, on the outflow, so I can just see what sort of temperatures are coming out of the rads at the bottom. Of course, with the flow meter, that'll have a temperature of everything coming in, so that will be just showing me the temperatures of the coolant coming into the rads at the bottom. That cable there would go all the way to the Aqua Computer controller, and the 90 degree there will show you that I'm going to be fitting a section of pipe to the midsection of the case as well over there. It should fit all perfectly from my calculations that I've done. Sort of actually did it pre-install beforehand. I'll show you guys later on what that looks like. Okay, with everything now installed here, we're going to do a quick power check on everything, because I don't want to close this pedal stall up to the midsection and have to come back and fix up the power cables, as that would be a bit of a mess. Of course you're going to need a power supply to give some power now to the fans. I've just got an old power supply there that I'm going to hook up with a 3-pin connector to it, and test out the fans and see how they turn, and to make sure that they're all turning, to make sure front and back of the rads are operating efficiently, so that we don't have any problems here. So I've got everything all nicely connected. We'll switch it on and see what it looks like. There we go. Looking very, very cool. I like it. Looks pretty good with the high speed turn on them. Alright, now we'll just test the other side, and that should do it on the other side to see if they're all working as well. Once again guys, thank you for watching my video, and thanks for being patient with me. Of course I'm still trying to get good at making these videos, but I'm just doing it for myself personally, and all my friends and my fellow modders at OCM, and whoever likes watching the channel as well.